Morning guys, it's Jeff with HKS Systems. Hope you're doing well today. I'm going to be installing well, first of all, look at this shit show. You got locks under locks, you got handles over locks, you got a shitty install, you got holes everywhere, you got panic bars that don't even work, they're not even connected. Inside, which I can't get inside until they're here to let me in, is actually vertical rods that they put on the outside of the door, and they were connected to this panic bar system somehow. Never worked. So it's basically just been a Adams Wright hook bolt that's been keeping this locked forever. We're getting rid of all this shit, pulling that stuff out, making it into a electrified lock system. We're going to be using the Alarm Lock PDL 1300 Duranotic, and we'll be checking in and out. I'll give you some shots before I get started pulling all this crap apart, just to show you how bad that is. There's the work truck, here bright and early. No one else is here. Of course, it's always me. I'm the first guy in, last guy to leave. Typical. All right, we'll be checking in. Take care. All right, guys, so I told you I'd show you what's inside. Yeah, this is the shit that was inside. Panic bars, half cracked off, busted in half. No top shoes whatsoever. Not even a strike, so I don't know how the hell this guy ever got any of this stuff to work. I don't think he did. But anyways, we're going to be turning it out. We'll be checking in with you, but like, look at that shit show. Busted stuff in half, missing panic bars. Somehow the fire marshal said this was okay. I don't get it. Whatever, not my job. All right, guys, so you know the drill here. We have the removable glass piece, weather stripping rather. So we had to route that to facilitate the new faceplate for the new lock body. Once again, if you don't watch my other video on the old on-off pedal, definitely check that out. It's a lifesaver. So I just routed that all out. I'm going to hand clean it up a little bit, and then we will be ready to install. And we may even put tabs on this guy. Yeah. We'll see what happens. We'll be back. Thanks. Alright guys, Jeff with HKS Systems Lock Safe. Just finishing this up. So yeah, turned out pretty nice. That is the door. Unfortunately, it's got some doors. I'm going to put some plugs in those guys. That is all the way through, so there's not much I could do with that. Just putting a rim cylinder on there, but that's the new guy. Nice. Key override, 2,000 users, HID reader. That's self-latching system. I had to route that because that was all junk in there. So you can see I routed that. It's got a little bit of the indentation because it is weather stripping on the outside. So it is an 1.125" back set, but because of the weather stripping, it pushes it out, just that little section there. So not a big deal. Just touched up a little black there on the around the edges so you don't see any of the route, but nice and tight. Stainless steel anchors, top and bottom. Dead latch works fine. That works fine. If you don't know the ins and outs of these, if you push this in, here, let me get the key and show you really quick. So if you push the handle in, it's got a little set screw at the top. This is only like for